Gentleman from California, I just want to say, I'm new to Washington, and I understand that it's a city where a lot of things are gray rather than black and white. But this is a bill that really seems to me like it's a clear situation of black and white. A two-page bill, 24 lines long, that does one thing: removes the monopoly protection of the health insurance companies. There are no carve-outs, there are no exceptions, there are no loopholes. It is a clean bill. And it's interesting to go back, as voters have rightly been frustrated at all of the special deals that have been cut on the other side of this building, to understand this is not a new thing. 65 years ago, the reason we were stuck with this problem was the insurance lobby came in 1945 and was able to get this carve-out of monopoly protections that no other industry enjoyed. And it was supposed to be a 3-year phase-out. And what happened at the last second? A special deal was cut that removed that 3-year phase-out. Since then, the insurance industry has spent billions and billions of dollars buying their monopoly protection in this town of Washington. They spent $400 million last year while they were jacking up rates, premium rates, and out-of-pocket expenses for consumers, for patients around this country. They spent $400 million lobbying to protect their monopoly protections. Sometimes there's a very clear choice. Do you stand with patients, or do you stand with the profiteering of the health insurance companies? This is that clear choice. Do you stand for competition and accountability, or do you stand for protecting special interest groups? We have a chance tomorrow, hopefully on a bipartisan basis, to come together and do this one thing. While we can agree or disagree on the overall health care approach, can't we agree that removing the monopoly protections that make no sense to ensure competition and accountability is a good thing we can all agree on, we can all read over a single cup of coffee, and we can move forward with that sense of American competition and accountability? And with that, I yield to a gentleman who spent much of his career